Deck post leaning is one of those annoying problems that can totally mess with your outdoor vibes and even get dangerous if you ignore it. So first thing, you want to check if the soil around your deck posts is washing away or just super loose. If that's the case, you gotta dig around the post and see how deep it really goes. Then, pull the post out if it's wobbling too much. Next, pour a solid concrete footing at least 2 feet deep to stop any future sinking or shifting. Make sure the concrete is nice and level before resetting the post back in. It's smart to use a post base or metal bracket to keep wood off the concrete so it doesn't rot. After that, pack the soil back around the concrete footing tight and add some gravel for drainage so water won't pool there. Finally, keep an eye on it every season because weather and erosion can still cause trouble over time. One of the biggest mistakes with deck post leaning is not setting them deep enough in stable soil, which just lets them shift with rain or frost. Fix that by digging deeper and using concrete footings to lock the post in place. Another issue is skipping proper drainage around the footing so water sits and softens the soil. You can avoid this by adding gravel and sloping the ground away from the post. Thirdly, a lot of folks forget to protect the wood from moisture by putting it directly in the ground or on wet concrete. Using metal post bases or brackets stops rot and keeps your posts sturdy for way longer. BigHomeProjects.com is super helpful because it connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who actually know how to fix stuff like leaning deck posts right. Plus, if you're a contractor looking for work, it's a great place to find people who need your skills without all the hassle,